Hello Mayport, I'm Miss Sullivan and I am here to help you learn how to post your lesson plans using OneNote. So as you can see, I just have my desktop. The first thing I would suggest doing is going to your OneView. Click that to open it, and once that comes up, sign in. Give it just a moment. So once you've signed in, go up here to the top corner to where the waffle is. So always remember, waffles are the first thing you go to, first thing you eat the breakfast. So click on your waffle, go to OneDrive. This is where you should be storing your electronic copies of all your lesson plans. So you can go to New and create a folder and title it Lesson Plans like I have done. And that's where you should store all of your Word documents for lesson planning. So we're going to go to mine. And I am going to show you. So we have my Biology 1. And I'm just going to choose one from the first unit that I did. So the first day of school. So we're going to pick this lesson plan. So I'm just going to show it to you. I'm going to open it up. And so once you have your lesson plan open up, you can post this to your OneNote pretty easily. So just go to File and go to Print. And when this comes up, you're going to say print this document. And you should get done printing. Okay, so when it comes to the types of printer's destination, you want to choose Send to OneNote. So if you have your printer selected, you want to choose the one that says Send to OneNote. And once that is selected, hit Print. And then your OneNote should pop up. Let's just double check. We're good there. So now OneNote is asking me where do I want to print it. So these are all my books. I might have a few more than you probably have, but you're going to choose your department staff notebook. So I'm part of the science department staff, so I'm going to open that up and I'm going to come down to my notebook. So I don't want to paste it in other people's notebook. You won't be able to see all of these except for your department head. So it'll basically, what you'll see is welcome, collaboration space, the content library, and then your name. So I'm going to go to mine. I'm going to go to biology, and I'm going to open that up. And I've made a page that says lesson plan first day. I'm going to select that and hit OK. And then you're going to see it here in the background populate on that page. So here is one way to do that. So we have clicked it there. So let's talk about OneNote a little bit. So when you, how to access your OneNote book. So when you are in, and I'm going to come back here for just a second. When you are in your OneView, so if you go to OneView, and then select the waffle again. And when you come here, go to OneDrive. This is the easiest way to get there. So when you go to OneDrive, you're going to go to Shared with Me. And in this area, your department head will have shared your staff notebook with you. And then you can be able to select it from here. So these are all the documents that are shared with me. So the social department has shared their notebook with me, so I can access it there. So I am going to, so that's one way to do that there. And then once you pull it up, I'll show you what that looks like in the actual notebook. So I know I'm in the staff notebook, and here's my name, so I know that this is my notebook, and I'm going to add pages to paste all of my lesson plans here, as we did with the first one for the lesson plan for the first day. You can also just drag and drop. Let me show you what that looks like. So if I wanted to pull up all my files here, give me just a second. I don't need all those windows open. And say I'm looking for my lesson plan, and I just saved it to this folder, and I'm going to come over here to this first day of school. You can take it and drag it and drop it into your OneNote like this, It'll ask you if you want to insert the printout, which is what I showed you how to do it as a printer option, or you can just attach it as a file. And so you can attach it as a file, and there you go. Okay, hope this helps. If you have any further questions, just let me know. I'll be glad to help you.